Hindi ko na nga i-gatekeep. This spot serves Malaysian and Singaporean dishes. Plus, they sell products from Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, and Japan. I love that they're not madamat sa space. Ang luwag and so comfortable kumain. Okay, so let's start with their nasi lemak with ayam ketchup. The chicken is crispy fried, then tossed in a savory sweet soy sauce, sauteed with aromatics. Since it's nasi lemak, matik na with the coconutty rice, peanut, crispy dilis, cucumber, and pickled radish, plus a side of sambal na sobrang perfect with the rice. The hubby ordered yung tofu. Sobrang good din. It's a meatball stuffed in veggies. Sobrang love ko yung stuffed chili. Very evident yung shrimp, kaya bouncy yung texture, crispy pa outside. Perfect with their sweet chili sauce. We also had their chicken curry. Wala akong masabi. The curry, the sauce consistency, slightly sweet, savory, and perfectly coconutty. Next, their fried chicken. Perfectly seasoned, ang ganda ng batter. Crispy pero hindi matigas. Syempre, the son's fave, cannot miss sa order. Ang roti. Chewy, perfect i-dip sa curry sauce. Sobrang super addicting. Honestly, I could finish 2 orders of this by myself. So ito na nga, the name of the resto is Mr. and Mrs. B, located sa Macapagal Boulevard, Pasay City. Free parking, just ipa-validate before leaving. We also tried their drinks, though I didn't get to film everything. Don't miss it, the coffee is good. And the son's fave, Milo Dinosaur is a must-try. If you order a meal, drinks are only 100 instead of 150. This is our second time here, and I also recommend their bakute soup. Truly a must-try. Here's their menu. Pause nyo na lang. So that's my taste. Yours might say otherwise. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone.